cake recipe is like comfort food for me. The cinnamon and walnuts complement the bananas so nicely. It's really such a happy and healthy way to start the day. And even on busy mornings, it's ready at about the same time the coffee is. You just mix a few ingredients in the mug, put it in the microwave, do the toothpick test. If it doesn't come out clean, give it another 15 seconds or so until it does. I like a little bit of maple syrup on top, as you saw, but that's totally optional, and it really is sweet enough the way it is. This banana mug cake recipe is vegan, gluten-free, sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, whole food plant-based, keto, and low carb. And while it's great for breakfast, it's really perfect anytime you just want some comfort food. I would love to hear your thoughts. Please subscribe for more easy, healthy recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.